This dialogue, it means a lot. कि दिवाली पे पटाखे मत फोड़ो, पेपर पटाखा फोड़ो.
The film that we are shooting here, and you can see all the beautiful lights that have been set up, is a scene about Diwali. But the big difference here is that this is all about the film title Patakha. Is about patakas, but the difference is that patakas are not real patakas. Patakas are paper patakas, and paper patakas which do no smoke, which produce sound.
I think what's beautiful about the idea is the simplicity. I think it's a piece of paper which allows us to tell a story about how you can start something new and how it can be so simple. I would not be surprised to see kids bursting a lot of this, and we're gonna make sure that they're exposed to it a lot more. We're gonna have a fairly integrated approach to this, in which we're gonna be, the consumer is going to be exposed to the world of this paper cracker in different ways, whether it's through stalls, whether it's through videos. And we plan to have something like the longest paper cracker laddi, all those things to amplify.
Big Bazaar, through this film and through this campaign, would like to make India a little more beautiful every passing year. So the innocence of a child combined with the innocent idea of a paper fataka is really what's the exciting part of the journey of this narrative.
Big Bazaar has started its journey of making India beautiful a few months ago. I think we've crossed the journey very confidently, very energetically, and with a lot of fun. So when we came to the festive of 2015-2016, we thought we should try and carry that journey and make it far more enjoyable and far more relevant to the country. And we said, let's go and see what are the first beginnings which happened, what are the happy beginnings which happened inside Big Bazaar. हमारे बिग बाजार में कौन सी शुभ शुरुआत है उसके बारे में देखते हैं. There was this young person called Nilay who came and shared his thought along with the rest of the team to us, and we instantly liked the idea. And what you see is really team effort of everyone, be it Nilay, be it Rahul, be it Sanjay, Rajiv, everyone really contributing to make it such a lovely film for us. So to me, when I go back and see what does it mean for Big Bazaar, if you really look at it, I think there are three shubh shuruat, there are three happy beginnings which are there. Getting people for their first trip to modern trade, a lot of tier 2 towns, 110 cities, getting people to try new products within an existing category, and third, making people shift their habits or adopt a new habit. And to me, Shubh Shuruat is really the start of a completely new journey on these three lines.
The film starts in the store, and it is the store, the store cashier who gives the idea of the paper fataka to the boy. To my mind, it really epitomizes what Big Bazaar stands for, where good ideas, new innovations really begin at Big Bazaar. The Shubh Shuruat of new things happen at Big Bazaar, and to me, that's the larger message, that's the larger point that this campaign is really going to do.
So when we were thinking of this campaign for Big Bazaar, we started thinking what can Big Bazaar, how can Big Bazaar wish people a Shubh Shuruat? What will be worthy of Big Bazaar's stature coming from Big Bazaar, it should be something large. It should be a grandeur which comes from the heart. And that's where this simple device of paper pataka came into our thinking, came to us. Here's wishing you all a new paper pataka wali should survive.
Remember, only paper patakas.
मम्मा पटाखे
नो पटाखे.
ये क्या है?
पटाखा
ये क्या है? मम्मी पटाखा
चल राउंड लगा
अब ये क्या नया शुरू किया है? कुछ अच्छा ही शुरू किया है. हैप्पी दिवाली. हैप्पी दिवाली.
इस दिवाली कुछ नया सोचते हैं, कुछ अच्छा करते हैं. शुभ शुरुआत. बिग बाजार, मेकिंग इंडिया ब्यूटीफुल.